If your attorney is not doing that, or prepared to do that in a federal case, or telling you it's impossible, there's too much discovery, we'll just go through the hot docs, please beware. The solution is not to cut corners. The solution is to put more eyes on it. Hi, I'm Lana Manitta with the Rossen Law Firm, coming to you again to talk about federal criminal defense. Today we're talking about federal criminal trials. Be sure to like and comment on this video and subscribe to our channel. Rossen Law Firm provides a variety of educational videos on issues related to criminal defense, and they're there to help people who are facing criminal charges or have a friend or loved one facing criminal charges, or just really curious and love criminal defense the way that we do. So I told you in a prior video that less than 2% of criminal cases that are filed in federal court actually go to trial. And I also explained that this statistic generally reflects the strength of federal cases, the strength of the government's case against the defendant, especially when you balance the strength of the case against the sentence exposure that is found in federal law. In federal law, there are often mandatory minimums that apply, or very high advisory sentencing guidelines applicable to individual charges. But none of that means there aren't defenses. They just require a great deal of preparation, keeping in mind at all times what you don't know, and knowing that often in federal cases, defendants are wrongly charged. Today, we're going to talk about preparation. Obviously, there's a great deal that goes into preparation, but I will talk about just a few facets of that. Now, in a modern federal criminal case, the defense attorney is likely to receive multiple terabytes of discovery. Discovery is evidence and supporting material that has been gathered throughout the investigation. It's going to be produced in a wide variety of file formats. In the cases that I have active right now, presently, the discovery involves at least 4 different video formats, 2 different audio formats, 5 different document formats, HTML files, load-ready documents that require a specific platform to view them, and other files that require specific software packages to even open. A lot of these things I may not even have. I go through every single discovery disclosure as soon as and as thoroughly as possible, and I begin by first noting, what can't I open? What can't I access? I download the software that's necessary, and if I can't figure it out, or if it's a corrupted file, I'm immediately telling the government that I need a new version or I need a new file. Now, if your attorney is not doing that, or prepared to do that in a federal case, or telling you it's impossible, there's too much discovery, we'll just go through the hot docs, please beware. If the volume of discovery is so high that it is, I won't say literally, but nearly impossible for counsel to review all in time for the trial, the solution is not to cut corners. The solution is to put more eyes on it, which means bringing on staff, even if it's clerks and paralegals, or ask for more time and have specific statistics to show, specific information to show the judge how much discovery there is, how much have I done, how much is left. I have won 2 federal criminal trials by reading all the emails, hundreds of thousands, not just emails that my client was on or that involved my client, but all the emails. Even your motions practice, which we've talked about in another series of videos, that's also trial preparation. And that can lay out what's going to come in evidence, what's going to stay out. And you cannot prepare your motions without reviewing all of the discovery. You cannot prepare your cross-examination for trial without digesting multiple times the statements that were given by cooperating witnesses and others that are expected to testify at trial, like experts, their reports, their data. Now, the second prong of preparation is knowing what you don't know, and that involves enlisting necessary experts. That really segues us into our next topic for our next video, which is knowing what you don't know. And just like preparation, there are multiple facets to that. Please subscribe to our channel, like and comment on this video and other videos, and stay tuned for additional educational videos related to federal criminal defense and state criminal defense in South Florida from the Rossen Law Firm. Thank you.